Sonos CEO Patrick Spence joins us now in a first on CNBC interview. Patrick, underneath these strong results, you also did quite well on direct-to-consumer relationships. That percentage moving up into the 20s, even with this surge?
Yeah, you got it, John. So it's actually 21% of our sales over the past year. That's up from 12% the year before. So 84% year-over-year growth. And, our system really lends itself to having that direct relationship with the customer. People are engaging with our app every single day. And so, it's been a really one of those things where we've seen, a few years worth of transformation over the course of the last 12 months. But customers are definitely saying that they are excited to engage with Sonos directly, and they're excited to add more Sonos to their home.
Now, if I were an investor, Patrick, I would be perhaps concerned about Google, Amazon, Apple, all of which have streaming speaker products. Apple's just come out with the HomePod Mini at $99. All of those direct competitors to you, but also content providers on your platform. What do you say about the growth that you're experiencing in the face of that competition?
Yeah, John, really, we hit an inflection point, in this quarter. And I keep saying that because, we've been at this for 15 years. We have grown and been successful through the Great Recession, through all of the early days of audio and people saying, Bose or Sony is going to take you out, big tech entering the category, now a pandemic. And really, you see the power of our model, right? Because it's unlike any other where, we're attracting new customers to our system and they start to enjoy Sonos, and then they add more products to their system over time, right? And it gets better. And we see an even a higher NPS from customers the more Sonos they add to their system. So we have a really compelling power in our business model in the system that benefits both customers and now investors, I think, are really seeing that power too.
Patrick, we are a Sonos family. I have Sonos speakers all over my house. But I have to ask, though, if you think there's been any of that phenomenon of the pull forward, when you look at your growth this past quarter and then at your guidance for next year, do you have a sense that a lot of this growth would have come in the fourth quarter or in the first quarter or second quarter of next year if we were not in this pandemic situation? And as people start to get out and about, they'll be investing less in their homes.
Well, I think this is the power of the Sonos model and our business model where, we had last year 41% of the sales actually went to existing customers coming back and adding another Sonos. Plus, we had our 15th year of more than 20% growth in our new homes. And so we've consistently shown, whether it's pandemic or not, that we're growing the number of homes. We're also growing the proportion of customers that are coming back to buy more. And remember, the other thing that is reflected in our guidance is our product roadmap. We obviously don't share that publicly for competitive reasons, but we believe we have a strong roadmap. We have a strong system that whether we're locked down or not, we're going to have a successful year ahead.
Patrick, John mentioned a number of those tech giants that are your frenemies, partners, and also competitors. Do you think some of the new products that they have in the market this holiday season could prove more of a threat than they have in the past?
It's been 6 years that we've been, seeing big tech enter the category and try to do what we do. We haven't seen anything in the short term, through the introductions of these new products. We continue to innovate and execute, and that's what we're going to stay focused on. So, no, you see reflected in our guidance, really a continued belief that our unique business model, our unique system-based model is something that consumers are going to continue to enjoy, and now investors are actually really seeing the benefits of.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.